Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what a VPN kill switch is and how to use it. A VPN kill switch is a safety feature that keeps your online data secure. It works by cutting your internet connection if your VPN suddenly disconnects. Without it, your real IP address could be exposed. When you use a VPN, all your internet traffic goes through an encrypted tunnel. If the VPN drops for any reason, that tunnel disappears, and your device might start sending data through your normal, unprotected network. A kill switch prevents that from happening by instantly stopping your internet until the VPN connection is restored. To use a VPN kill switch, first open your VPN app. Most modern VPNs include this option in their settings. Look for something called kill switch or network lock. Turn it on. Some VPNs offer two types. One blocks all traffic if the VPN disconnects. The other only stops specific apps from sending data. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Once the kill switch is active, connect to your VPN as usual. You can test it by disconnecting your VPN manually. If your internet stops working, the kill switch is working correctly. Remember to keep it turned on every time you use the VPN. That's how you use a VPN kill switch to stay secure online. Thanks for watching.